2018 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, leather seats, outside temperature gauge, body color door handles, engine immobilizer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.